oyingira mu kukkiriza eddiini yo ogitegeere. So Alan, you are there now. He has been the nominator for our MP for 4 terms. He's now a contestant on the Democratic Front. And we thank God for that. People are now starting to see. They're starting to see because it's a matter of time. There is no vote that is equivalent to a drop of blood of a human being. What made me quit politics? In 2016, there is someone who was cut because Fatuma was ahead of them. The plan was they can organize, get someone, put on a yellow t-shirt. They got a group of supporters, dressed them in yellow t-shirts. They attacked their same team. They cut a supporter of the Honorable Member of Parliament. I know that supporter and I can ably speak the name. The name is Namugera. He was cut opposite Ryder Hotel Center. They were smashing the motorbike. They saturated on social media. That is where Ndisaba was reached as far as elections are concerned. 2 days to the election. I didn't know the arrangements. I didn't know that that was politics. I sat home. The night to the voting day, I sat home. The media platforms is now. NRM Ndisaba wayo basazewo okutta abawagizi ba Honorable Fatuma Bwebakozesa. Indeed, you sacrifice your own person because of a vote. When I got to know about that story, but this is not where I belong. The circle always sacrifices. I thought it was a lie at first. But when I sat home, I was like, I want to know this story more. I engaged different people. But after I was transferred to Nazara DC, I got to engage with someone who used to do all of that work. He testified and he told we did it. Waliyo tuyiseko nga nebwe tukugoba tetukyakukwata twalina kukuba that very night gwe twanoonya okukuba watulema okutema watulema okutta wagaana obutwa bwagaana. We had to attack our own because of your vote. And I say that boy knew your plans. That is how far politics is. That is how far politics is dirty. I'm happy for my police officer, for the sermon he has given. I'm too happy for the speech that Greater Faith has given. There is no vote that is worthy someone's life. There is no service that you're going to give to the community worthy someone's life. It's not all of us that are going to sit in parliament. I'm not at DC getting poor money, but I'm happy delivering services because that is what I had wanted to do in parliament. I would be far if I went to parliament, but now I'm down to the level of the community. I'm serving the vulnerable people. For those of you who know where my office is, for those of you who usually come to see what I do in office, don't you think I'm even doing better than those who are in parliament? So that is why my advocacy is, let's try measures of reducing the money, because this is what is taking the majority of our people to parliament. They're yearning to get riches, not delivering services, not improving on the policies, not making laws. And do they even know the process of making laws? That is why we have parliament. Do they know where those come from? Can it be a requirement on those who are intending to contest before they even. You see, I'm sorry when you're bintu bizibu nnyo bikaabya biruma bakwano basibirira entanda mwesunga tubakubetiya gas. During my tenure as RBC, I have 2 divisions and 2 DPCs. I have more than 24 police stations. It is alarming okusumula kakebe katiya gasi kirisibwa because asafaringa netiya gasi ye munaku abadde atunda enseenene ng'atajetinze bano abali ku raali. Ye tategedde nti kati bano bakukubye ekikonde gwe ng'owa poliisi wabula gw'okasuse naye nga bano motivu yaabwe kuprovokinga. We know you are too provocative. We are ready for whatever provocation you are going to make. Mutuwulirize tujja bakolera kye mwetaaga. Buli omu alina presidential candidate, come to security committee. Let us discuss your venues. Kubanga mwenga bwe munoonya okufuna ssente waliwo abanoonya school fees z'abaana. Mwenga bwe munoonya okufuna ssente waliwo bwe basabye emitwalo 9 gya dialysis. Azze kulaba ng'ateekayo essuuka engoye ze okulaba ng'afuna ssente z'okutwala omwami we oba mukyala we ku dialysis. Mwenga bwe mublokinga amakubo waliwo bwe batwala okukyusa omusaayi gwa sickle cells. Mwenga bwe muziba amakubo waliwo omukyala ali ku rifaalo alemereddwa okuzaala. So nga ffe bwe tuyisaawo enniiru yaffe tutunuulire n'abalina obulumi obutali bwa byabufuzi. Waliwo abantu abalina obulumi obw'ensonga. Dr. Daniel Kiwanuka yafa nali nkubye lwalena nali n'okutunula eno nga gyamu mungi nga neno gyamu mungi ne baga let's go to the field. Sigenda kwogera because I felt waliwo ebintu ebirina okutereera mu mukono ne mu ggwanga. Organized people don't join politics. How did I get to know that you are organized? We were in jam. Nga tugenda naye nga nina emergency n'ogaana okwogera n'ogamba abawagizi bonna abadde mu kisaawe tuyitewo because tulina emergencies. Indeed kola olunaku nali ngenda kulongoosa muntu wano. You saved a life. Nangamba, I don't want to hear your name again in politics of Mukono. You know, ekyo kibagambye lwaki abantu abasinga obungi batandise okudawutinga abantu abajja mu byobufuzi because of the acts, because of the deeds. Ezaali ez'abantu ba Pius Kawere, ezaali ez'abantu ba Specioza Wandera Kazigwe, ezaali ez'abantu ba Mukyala Balemeezi, ezaali ez'abantu baani benjogerako bwe butamanyi abamu munsenga ku myaka. Tuzoonoonye rase ne twanika mu ki. You have a right to choose a leader of your choice. You have a right to go to a party of your choice. You have a right to support any president of your choice. Leave me to speak about my president. And my president is John Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. For the reasons I have. Regardless of how you vote, regardless of how you support him, regardless of how you undress him in public here in Mukono, he has given us Greater Kampala and the Metropolitan, and those are the tarmac roads we are seeing. He has given us health center 3s in all sub-counties. He has given us seed schools in all sub-counties. He's even educating the children of those who are not supporting him, primary, secondary, tertiary. He has brought peace for every one of you to do work. He has given us an organized police. He has given us an organized UPDF force. He has given everyone liberty to move out of the country and get employment if you feel free. We have a state school here in Mukono, Mukono High School. There's some simple issues we need to adjust and put clear. Now, get a platform and speak about your president. Call Fatuma to debate with me. Speak about your president. I'll also speak about my president. In an organized way. Don't force everyone to support your party. Vabamu nebya party twalite tuliyagala. So temukanga bantu. Mukono tugenda mu red. Mukono tugenda mu tekako carpet ya red. And what have you ever done before? You know, we have your pictures. You came from here. You went to, you crossed to, you were like sunflower. Morning you face this side, evening you face this side. You are not consistent at all. I'm sorry. The guest of honor. I know these people. Naye mwabakuze mufe mwani wasatekwana lwaki temutuuza abantu ne mubagamba nti omuntu atalina mazima atanywerera ku kigambo kye tabeera mukulembeze. Lwaki temukigamba abantu? Musumba lwaki togamba bagoberezi nti Bayibuli ne buli kibikula 1000 years to come egenda kusoma Genesis nga bwasoma? Lwaki shensekula togamba bantu nti alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin egenda kusoma Yalifata nga bwe yasomerwa emyaka 104,478 emabega? Consistent. The Quran is consistent. Why are we diverting from that consistency? Politics is not a good job. If you try to make it a job, it's not good. Tatabanye. Muleke abanaku beekolere. Muleke betuwadde sente za PDM bazikozese. Muleke betuwadde ez'endonga bazikozese. Mulimala politics wabwe mu February, mulibasanga tebazze kubasaba school fees. I feel bad ku bantu abakeera ewanga waka. I have a disadvantage. I stay in Mukono and I don't have a wall fence. Nesagala kujja kusaba sente za kuzimba kikomera. Nja kusevinga sente zenfuna mu nsala mu kizimbe if I need it. Nino sango omuntu ng'akedde waka n'omuganyabo kiki anti mukyala. If you wanted me to remove my bus, for me I'm not tired of my bus. Then why do you come to me? I still own the bus for God and my country.